This is factory module that came out, and there's an aftermarket factory. It's not a factory, but aftermarket key module for diesel. And don't waste your time buying this if you're having problems. I installed this, and it's got to get programmed. The module was cutting out and wouldn't start up at times after it was installed. It got worse and worse and worse. You had to wait for a whole day for it to start up again. The new Chrysler module works perfectly. This is the part number right here, and this is Dorman's module right here. So if it's something beating your head off, the diesel won't crank over, no crank, you don't hear the relays clicking. And I noticed when it was having a problem, the relays wasn't clicking correctly. So I had to go get the module from the, it takes a long time, but at least you don't have to have an angry customer because you installed something and it didn't fix the problem. If this had fixed the problem, going to the dealer, I'd have been better off. This took about 2 months, 3 months to get. So good luck on those having problems that having cranking. Don't wait until it won't crank no more. The longer you keep it in there, the longer it takes for it to start. It might be 2 days to 3 days before it decides to crank over. But then you have to let it stay running. The minute you cut it off, it won't crank no more. Thank you for watching. God bless.